now we turn to Kitgum Municipality, where Onekalit Amere, who is under the FDC party, has been arrested. In fact, has been arrested while campaigning. Reason that has been given is that he was campaigning in the main market. As you can see the view from above, in the main market of the Kitgum Municipality, crowds were crying, women were shouting, crying, having pity for Onekalit Amere, who has been arrested and detained for campaigning. Reason being, it is not yet time for general election, but it is time for NRM party election. So any campaign, as by the law, as they say, and as reported, is just supposed to be internal party campaign. So this is something which is raising a lot of questions. The community of Kitgum right now are in high temperature. Let me say, angry, very, very angry about this incident, and the situation remains very volatile in Kitgum. There are some people who also threaten, who are planning to demonstrate due to the arrest of Onekalit Amere. And yeah, this is a real shocking thing, but whatever development that will come out will get you posted. Thank you.